Guys, when I said dry fit and I was going to be the masking tape magnificent, it wasn't kidding. This is the tallest of the two towers on this build. And then that triangular part all the way down to here. This is section H. And that is section A, E, F, G, and of course H. If you look at down at the bottom, I literally have this thing, and I'm going to try to scoot it without having an avalanche here. I literally have it taped down all the way to the back. Now, this is a dry fit. It's not exact, but it just gives us an idea. See, I've got it taped in there. And then that is section A, and that is going to be part of the newspaper and glue fix there. It'll be covered. You won't see any of those cracks. And then I'll go over it with paint or wallpaper, I think. Probably will, because once it dries, it's really hard. I mean, it gives it a good hard finish. Okay, so I'm going to angle the camera around very carefully to show you back here. Sorry, guys. Hopefully you can see this back there. See those marks? We're looking at the blue marks, which are more accurate. That's where the first floor is going to go. And then as we come up, you'll see a second set of blue marks. That's where the second floor is going to go, and it'll fit right on top of that section A. And it'll come around, and then that's H again. Kind of hard to see, but that's H. And then H will connect to, sorry about the camera, I'm doing this by hand. H will connect on this side with that small set of towers on this part. Now, it's a much smaller tower, but it'll fit right there. So this is what I meant by dry fitting. And then there's some pieces that fit inside of this section, you know, 9 3/8 inches up, wherever that mark was on the inside. There's a piece that goes in here as part of the floor. And then the floor sets, well, you know, floor sets on the first floor, and then that's the ceiling to the first section, and then it'll be the floor to the second story. And then that floor will actually sit right here. It's kind of hard to see, but right there there'll be a floor. And then up there will be the attic. Isn't this beautiful, guys? So that's what I was talking about when I was saying dry fit it. Or we can go through and we can fit all those pieces together. They have this crazy thing, if you look in the instruction book, about string and rubber bands, and I don't know, I'm not too sure about it. So I don't know. I feel a little more comfortable about doing it this way. But like I said, you guys tell me. You let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.